Hey everybody, Greg Rice here. We're at Nexus Property Management headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and an age-old question here, an oldie but a goodie, is should you be charging your tenants for maintenance? Now don't get me started, okay? I'm very opinionated. Nexus is very opinionated on this subject because we have experience with all ends of this, okay? We've dealt with the ins and outs. We know that the answer is no, okay? No is a complete sentence, and we know that no is the right answer. And the reason is, most specifically, when you charge a tenant for maintenance, the likeliness that they report future maintenance is almost zero. It's diminished, okay? It's so tiny. And the reason is because they're nervous. They're scared that you're going to charge them for the next call. So that leaking sink that you could have fixed for $100 now has leaked down through the second floor, through the first floor, now into the basement, and you have an insurance claim on your hands as opposed to a $100 fix. Okay, now this, of course, is just an example, but it's one of many that we've seen as to why it's not a good idea. And second of all, the tenants are paying you to occupy the space. It's not their house. They're renting time from you, but you own the house. You're responsible for the condition of that house. Now, if folks are taking advantage and intentionally causing problems, then absolutely they should be charged. But in most cases, tenants are just living there, okay? Ordinary wear and tear happens, and you should, the best answer, be responsible for that maintenance. So once again, this is Gregory Rice here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.